Well, so I recently made a bridge bot. Well, I configured the bridge bot, made by a guy called XMDB, and I realized there's basically no pre-made bridge bot source code for anyone out there that's not full of bug. So I decided to basically configure this into a newer version of Hypixel, which works because this one that I downloaded, when I downloaded it, it was full of bugs. The client Minecraft client frame won't log on. Like everything is just ramming into each other. So I took it out to Visual Studio Code, which I have it open. Basically fixed everything. I will be putting this folders of source codes under the video description, so you guys don't have to go through the trouble to understand it and configure it. So everything here is set up for you. If you are worrying about this being an IP grabber, which I'm pretty sure you guys are just gonna put like your useless Minecraft alts onto this. I don't understand why you will put your main on this, because you are not allowed to log on. When the bridge bot is on, it will just sync you or in like intruder to the account. Alright, back to where we were going. So you don't have to change anything in the bridge bot. All you have to do, if you download it from the video's description, you just have to go to the ENV, fill all these out. So you fill the account that you want to log on with, like for example, the email that you want to log on with. Let's just put example gmail.com. So this will be our account, like this will be our account for the Minecraft client, and then we just type in like a random password, which the password have to be connected to the account, but this account is a fake account, so I'll just put something random. And then the login type, which I don't think people still log in with Mojang anymore, so I just put it defaulted to Microsoft. And the chat separator, this one I still don't understand like what it really means. I think it's just like whatever you want in between to separate it. So it was default to a colon, so I just didn't mind changing it. And Hypixel API key is basically the key that you get when you type /API or /API new in Hypixel. This is the API of the account you have, not the account you have, the account that you want the bridge bot to be on. And then this one I still didn't understand, was set default to 02. And for tokens, I mean, if you're gonna make a Discord bot, I'm pretty sure you know what it is. Basically, go to Discord developer portal, you build a new bot, you grab its token, put it here, put the Discord invite link. The Discord invite link is a link of your basically Discord server, which over here I made one. This was like the past chat log of the bot working. I created a new guild for the bot, so that way you guys can see it working. So you just basically press invite and make sure the server invite is permanent and unlimited number of use. You just copy, and then you go to Visual Studio Code and you just basically, that is the wrong spot, you just put it in and make sure you use double, I forgot what these dots are called. Sorry, I am fresh off the boat, straight from China, and my accent's pretty bad. Just pull whatever those two dots are called. And then you need Discord to turn on Discord developer mode so you can get a channel ID. To get it, when you turn on developer mode in settings, let's see, where did it go? These are useless, not here. Advanced, yeah, advanced. So you put developer mode on, and this thing allows you to see the channel ID and stuff. So you right click this, copy ID, and then you go back and you basically paste it. So make sure to put the dots too. So member channel ID is the channel ID that like everything is set in. Officer channel ID is when you give the bot account like officer role, and it can access the officer channel in Hypixel Guild. Blacklist channel ID, it is basically sorry. So blacklist channel ID and error channel ID, you guys can basically just go here, create an error, create a blacklist. There shouldn't really be anything in these two things, because I already fixed like all the bugs, which as you can see happened quite a few times. Fixed it all, changed it, and I basically put this all in one file. You guys just gotta take the ID and then copy it in each of them. The owner ID is basically who made this. Well, you can put your ID because I didn't make it, I just configured it. Put your own ID here. Staff role ID, basically you obviously have to have a staff, server staff for your Discord server. And basically after you fill everything out, you wanna start a new terminal, which that's what I normally do, but there are also people that just go to CMD. And yes, I do play League of Legends, it did show right there, don't flame me. So just change directory into wherever you put your file. So I put my file on my desktop, so cd desktop, cdbb, that's the name of the folder, cd bridge, that's going into the folder. I spelled it wrong. And then basically you do npm install or npm I. After type this, everything in the package should be installed, like all these, if I am correct, because I don't use Node.JS, I only use C# for Unity game programming. Yeah, so basically everything downloads. Alright, so after you set that up, after it finished downloading, you can close up Visual Studio Code, which I have to pause the video and put in like my own tokens and stuff. I deleted a pre recording because I don't want you guys to have like my Minecraft alts and shit. Alright, I just put back everything, the tokens, IDs, everything basically is back in there, including my account. And in case somebody thinks this is rad, I welcome you all to basically just go through the code. There are a lot of people who are better than like this Node.js, whatever, and like Mindflyer Java or some shit. There are a lot of people that's better than me. You guys can go through the code, make sure it's safe, and basically just post in the Hypixel forum chat. So after you do everything over here, like downloading stuff, as when I showed like 10 seconds ago, like 10 minutes ago for me, because I had to fill everything back in. And basically just type npm start. Give it a sec. Alright, it says bridgebot 1.1.0 starting node. Give it a sec. See, this is basically the Hypixel chat. Whatever gets typed in chat gets typed here. So yeah, it happened online for quite a while, and it got some unclaimed awards. It will send itself into limbo. That way you do not get anything, like any message from outside, because you see like those sliding lobby, those are very annoying if it stays there. And then basically what you want to do is you can go to your Discord server, general. You can see Percool is logged and ready. Let's type something, just test. We typed over, it's sent. And let's see over here, my Minecraft. I didn't full screen it because I had to record this thing. You see here, it says, I guess that's what. So basically, it works one way, and if we type over here /gc, just any message in guild will like get messaged over to your Discord server. Test back. It's sent. And also, there's one thing that I can do. If there's like have some already included like emojis and stuff. So if you just run like emoji uploads, like for example, I do right here. Just give it a sec. It's gonna take a little bit of time. I'm gonna pause the video until it works. Oh, well, never mind. It already worked. So now, if we come type like test again, you see you have the VIP sticker. It's made of 3 separate stickers, each taking a single part. And also, one thing about running this, like the emojis, like because it's application command, you get the freaking active developer badge, which you can just flex to your friend. And basically, that is how the bridgebot works. The error message will appear whenever there's an error. You can check into it. If there is any more error, all you guys have to do is basically just message me, PIRKUI #3434, and then you guys can basically just tell me about the error. I'll fix the thing. I'll re-upload a video talking about how the error happened, and I'll just fix it. So that should be all about this video. I'm gonna go put it into a media file, and I'll put it under the video description. And if you want more of these type of like bot configuring videos, just leave a comment like saying what bot you need. I will be happy to help once I finish my freaking League of Legends climbing to Diamond.